Welcome back to the channel where we make complex tech simple and deliver hacks that actually work. Today, we're tackling a digital nightmare we've all experienced. You know that heart-stopping moment when you accidentally delete a precious file? Maybe it was that perfect family photo, a critical work document, or a video from a once-in-a-lifetime trip. The panic sets in when you realize you never backed it up. But don't despair. In today's deep dive, I'm going to guide you step by step through the surprisingly simple methods to recover those seemingly lost files. We'll cover everything from your Android phone and Windows laptop to cloud storage services like Google Drive. And the best part? No backup is required for these initial tricks. We'll even explore common mistakes to avoid. So if you want to master your digital life, hit and turn on. Accidental deletion happens to everyone. And while backups are great, not everyone uses them, especially when storage is tight or data is moving fast. Let's fix that with recovery methods that actually work, even if you didn't plan ahead. We've all felt that sinking feeling when a file vanishes. But before you panic, take a breath. That deleted file is often just hidden, not gone forever. Here are simple recovery hacks for your most common devices. On Android, without needing root access, open Google Photos for images or files by Google for documents. Inside the app, find the Trash or Bin folder. This is a temporary holding area for items you've recently deleted. Your files stay here for up to 30 days. Find the file, tap to select it, and restore with one tap. It'll pop right back where it belongs. On a Windows PC, your first stop is the classic Recycle bin. Open it, right-click the deleted file, and select Restore. It's that simple. If it's not there, use File History. Navigate to the folder where the file used to live, right-click it, go to Properties, then the Previous Versions tab. This lets you restore the folder from a shadow copy, a snapshot from an earlier time when your file was safe and sound. For cloud storage like Google Drive or OneDrive, the process is just as straightforward. In your browser, go to the Trash or Recycle Bin folder. Select the file you need and click Restore. This safety net also holds files for about 30 days, so as long as you haven't manually emptied it, you're in luck. Still can't find it? Use free recovery tools like Recuva, Windows, DiskDigger, Android, no root for photos, EaseUS, MobiSaver, Android, iOS. These scan your device for fragments of deleted files and can restore them, even if they're not in the trash. Most systems don't immediately erase files. They mark the space as reusable. Recovery tools scan that space before it's overwritten. So the sooner you act, the better your chances. And there you have it. Whether you're checking the recycle bin, your cloud storage, or using recovery software, a deleted file isn't always gone for good. The key is to act fast and avoid writing new data to the drive. So, give these methods a try. I'm genuinely curious. Did you manage to recover something important today? Drop a comment below and share your success story. It could help someone else. If this guide helped you, we've got plenty more where that came from. We're all about practical tech solutions that save you time and money. For more hacks that actually work, hit subscribe to Thek Unlimited. You won't want to miss tomorrow's episode. We're turning your old phone into a home security camera for free. It's a game changer. Until then, stay sharp, stay backed up. This is tech hacks that actually work.